Your IT strategy should be as unique as your business. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, but there are proven steps to ensure your strategy meets your specific needs. As Brian Lynch, CEO of Bakersfield Networks, puts it, most business owners know that they need an IT strategy. The question is usually more how to implement one that truly works for their needs. That's why today, we're going to explore how to create a solid business IT strategy, step by step. 1. Review your existing setup to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. 2. Define your business goals and use these goals as the foundation of your IT strategy. 3. Determine your security needs and choose the right practices accordingly. 4. Plan your technology investments based on which ones are most likely to enhance your efficiency and competitiveness. 5. Map out a detailed timeline for deploying new technologies and upgrades. 6. Ensure your team understands the changes and their roles in your strategy. And 7. Regularly review your strategy's performance using KPIs and feedback to make necessary adjustments. If you're looking to enhance your IT strategy, consider partnering with Bakersfield Networks. Our experts provide consistent guidance and practical advice on making your IT strategy resilient to future changes.